Well, Feather River Hospital is gearing up for this coming weekend's Strides for Diabetes Prevention Fair. It takes place on Sunday, and joining us with more is Beverly Thomassian, a diabetes nurse specialist. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
So diabetes is a very serious problem in Butte County.
Yeah, currently 1 in 10 of our residents have diabetes in Butte County compared to only 8% nationally. So we have a little bit higher than average statistics for diabetes.
Diabetes, very preventable, that's the good news, but it can also be quite serious.
Yeah, diabetes, the leading cause of complications is heart attack and stroke. So we're always trying to keep your vessels healthy with diabetes, but it can also lead to eye, kidney, and nerve disease.
Now we have kind of a fun prop here, but this helps you explain just what it is and why it is such a health problem for people.
Yeah, well, diabetes is a condition where you have too much sugar in your bloodstream. And the reason you have too much sugar is a faulty pancreas. So here's a pancreas. Your pancreas isn't actually this big.
Oh, good.
It's about the size of 2 of your fingers. But these little cells actually release insulin. And your pancreas is supposed to have a lot of beta cells to release insulin, but when you have diabetes, you make about half the normal amount of cells to squirt out that insulin. And insulin's so important because if you could imagine this is a cell in your body, how do you get sugar into your cells? Well, you need insulin. Insulin opens up the cell, gets sugar in, and burns up that sugar. And that's how we normalize our blood sugar. So if we don't make enough insulin, the cells don't open up, and the level of sugar in our bloodstream gets higher and higher. And that's what causes the vessel problems.
So at the fair that's happening on Sunday, obviously all kinds of information to people about, I guess, looking for symptoms. And this is, again, you know, by the time you're seeing symptoms, you may already have some serious problems.
Yeah, well, there's a real strong genetic link with diabetes. So if it runs in your family, you're more likely to have it. But we know there's things you can do to help prevent getting diabetes or stave it off. And one of the major things, of course, is losing weight and exercise, quitting smoking if you smoke, and also no more than 2 drinks a day. So what we're going to have at this fair is information and workshops to help get you exercising. We're going to have demonstration by Irish dancers. We're going to have Middle East dance. We're going to have Kempo karate. So we're going to have a lot of workshops where you can get up and move and get excited about activity again.
Where you're not dreading the exercise necessarily, but maybe looking forward to it. And this all takes place again Sunday. Kicks off with a walk and a run for people who want to take part in that?
Yes, it's October 16th, Sunday, and the run starts at 8:15, and we're going to have a walk at 9:15. But more than that, we're going to have a whole prevention fair. We're going to have a kid zone. We're going to have information booth, free eye screening. We're going to check blood sugars, and we have foot checks that we're going to do.
Nice.
So, and we're going to have free food, really healthy food. So we're going to have a lot of different activities happening.
All at Paradise Community Park, right?
Yeah, Paradise Community Park, Pearson and Black Olive.
All right, Sunday morning. See you there. One-stop shopping. Thanks so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. And we'll be back with more right after this.